DC41 Animal Complete automatically adjusts for optimal contact on every floor type, maintaining suction even on hard floors, and there are no fiddly dials to adjust. Dyson Cyclone technology captures more dirt and microscopic dust than any other. Radial route cyclone technology maximizes suction power. Vortex fingers guide air out of the cyclones, reducing turbulence. Lifetime filters trap allergens, and cleaner air is expelled from the machine. DC41 Animal Complete has the latest ball technology. Essential components have been engineered to fit inside the ball, creating a low center of gravity. It steers smoothly and turns on a dime, maneuvering around obstacles, into difficult places, and along edges with ease. Additional tools designed by Dyson engineers attach to the wand for removing dust, dirt, and hair from awkward places. The tangle-free turbine tool removes hair without tangling. Its heads are positioned so the brushes reach to the front and sides of the tool, drawing in hair and dirt from all directions. DC41 Animal Complete comes with an exclusive tool bag containing a multi-angle brush, a stiff bristle brush, a soft dusting brush, and Zorb cleaning powder. It's lightweight but robust and comes with a 5-year warranty. And it's easy to empty with no bags to buy.